hope you are well and healthy. Welcome back to my classroom. For today's reading lesson, I will help you learn to read Egg Family. Help me name the picture that you will see on the screen. Here's the first one. Say bag. Next one. Leg. Keg. Bag. And the name of this girl is Meg. Okay, name the picture that you will see on the screen by yourself. Ready? Very good. Next one. You got it. Next one. Perfect. This one. Great. And here's the last one. What's the name of this girl? You are right. Okay, this part, we will listen to the first sound you hear at the beginning of each word or each picture. Here is the first one. Beg. B. Remember, we will read the word egg. Say it again. Egg. Okay, what's the first sound you hear at the beginning of the word beg? That's right, that's B. B. That is letter B. B. Let's read the word. B. Egg. Beg. Here's the next one. Leg. What's the first sound you hear? Say it again. L. That's right, it's letter L. L. Okay. L. Egg. What's the word? Leg. Here's the next one. Yeah, keg. K. K. That is letter. That's letter K. 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 Okay, let's blend the word. K. Or let's blend the sound. K. Egg. K. Egg. Keg. Let's have the next one. Beg. P. P. That is letter P. 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 Egg. P. Egg. Peg. And the last one is Meg. That is letter M. Egg. Egg. Meg. Got it right. Meg. More practice using our flipbook. But I want you to blend the sounds with Teacher Lorie. Okay, try your best. B. Egg. B. Egg. What is the word? Beg. L. Egg. L. Egg. What's the word? That's leg. Here's the next one. K. Egg. K. Egg. The word is keg. And this one. P. Egg. P. Egg. What is the word? That's right. Peg. And this one is egg. Egg. What's the word? Meg. Last part. This is the part that that you're going to practice or read the word by yourself. Here's the first one. Got it! Next one. Great job! Here's the next one. Wow! And the next one is? Awesome! And the last one, the name of the girl? Great job! I have another cheer for you. I call it Harry Potter cheer. You ready?